Hi there! Okay po, in celebration of the 423rd Fiesta o Bayan ng Kasiguran, sa Friday po, October 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, same venue na pinaganapan ng Imago I Belong to the Zoo at yung performance na hindi natuloy ng Kamikasi. Meron po tayong panibagong concert sa Biyernes, October 6. That will be featuring Katrina Velarde, Sponge Cola, and of course, no less than Bamboo himself. Okay, tandaan niyo po yan, Katrina Velarde, Sponge Cola, and Bamboo, 7 o'clock in the evening, October 6 at Kasiguran Pier, Plaza Escudero. Yung lubos-lubusin ko na at meron pa tayong ipa-plug sa mga susunod na araw. Okay, October 8, opening ng Kasanggayahan Festival. October 8, doon naman po tayo sa Capitol Park, Sorsogon City. Okay, ang feature doon, Sus Collins, MCN Lassie, 6-part invention, and of course, the unkabogable Vice Ganda. Okay? Hanggang ano lang po tayo, October 6 and October 8 muna ipa-plug ko. Yung mga susunod na araw, later na, baka malula kayo. Okay? Yan po, nangyayari dito lamang sa Sorsogon. Sorsogon, the beautiful Sorsogon, where beauty is everywhere.